So we've been waiting in a car for almost an hour to wait for the rain to stop. And guys, it's flooding. It's bad. Let me show you how it looks like. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's bad. Oh, yo. I'm sorry. This is the situation here. Can you see? Oh my goodness. So we've been waiting here for close to 1 hour. You see? Oh my goodness. I don't know how we're going to get out of this place. Ya kubebana. You see those guys over there? No, I'm very alert. I'm very careful. So I think the only option here is to remove your shoes. So guys, this is the situation here. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna remove my shoes, or rather just get in. You see, that's how bad it is. I'm still in a matatu, but there is no way. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Yeah. You see? Yeah, that's the only option to get inside the water, and I'm so afraid because of, I don't know. Anyway, I don't know. That's how confused I am. Yeah. So anyway, I don't have an option. I would just have to get out, because if I decide to wait, I think I'll have to wait for hours. I don't think this water will. Anyway, I want to remove my shoes just in case there is any sharp object. Okay, let's go. Okay. Somebody excuse me. Okay. Wemo kanyaga kwanza. Juu sasa viatu. Unakanyaga mguu tupu? Alafu uvalie viatu mbele. No, this is the situation here. Oh my goodness. Kutoa viatu? Na kukiwa na sharp object chini? You risk? Okay.
Hii ni kurisk sasa.
Acha to risk, guys.
Sasa hivyo tutakaa hapa inyeshe tena.
Okay. All right. One by one. Unaingia na viatu? So guys, this is the situation right here. Okay. Guys. Okay, see, I don't know. Oh my goodness, it's so deep. Okay, this is how it is. This is what's going on right now. You see the situation? Okay, careful. So I don't know how I'm gonna, you see? So guys, yeah, that's the situation. You see? Yeah, it's bad. It's bad. You see? Just look at that. January, and this is how it looks like in the middle of the city, guys. I want you to look at that. You see? Yeah, it's raining. So, okay. See? And this is in the middle of Nairobi city. This is so bad. It means the drainage are not working. Yeah. So I'm gonna risk, nataka nipite hivi. Ule nini anatoa?
Drainage anakuja.
Kuna drainage hapo? Oh. You see, even the motorbikes. Okay, now this is what happened in Mombasa the other day. So I've decided to take back my shoes, put my shoes on because it's risky. Sasa hapa nashangaa nitapita aje. Rada hii Nairobi nishazoea. Flooding. Let's go. Unasema nimedhania ati ni kitu mbaya na usinichukue. Okay. Okay.